Learn how to use the Windows 11 Troubleshooter built-in diagnostic tool. To access the Troubleshooter, go into Settings. Within System, click on Troubleshoot. Under Options, click on Other Troubleshooters to access a variety of specific troubleshooters available for your device. For example, for sound issues related to playing audio or for no audio at all, you can run the Playing Audio Troubleshooter. The tool will attempt to identify and resolve any related issues. Follow any on-screen instructions to help target the resolution and run any recommended tests. The results will be displayed with the option to view even more details. Afterwards, feel free to provide feedback. Otherwise, simply close the troubleshooter when finished. For some issues, more than one troubleshooter may be necessary. For example, in this case, you may also want to utilize the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Run it in the same way, following the prompts. After running any troubleshooter, it's recommended to check the issue. Keep in mind, the Windows 11 troubleshooter may not always be able to fix complex issues. For such cases, you can contact us through social media for guidance. Be sure to check out our support videos on this channel for more troubleshooting tutorials. And become a subscriber today. We also have the Dell Community Forum where you can see what others have to say about the subject. Thanks for watching.